Hi guys, so let us make bread and potato rolls. I hope you love what you hear because yeah, it is super crunchy, crispy on the outside and soft inside. Oh my goodness. In fact, I enjoyed it hot. Hot. So first you start by adding water to your bread. So you need your bread soft, so you have to add water, not too much water. You just want the bread to be soft so you'll be able to mash it with the potatoes. So you add water to your bread, and once water has touched everything, you go in with your veggies. Now for the veggies, I'll be using carrots, I'll be using green bell pepper, I'll be using spring onions, and I'm now going to add my potatoes to it. So this is Irish potatoes. So after boiling and mashing it, just set it aside till you're ready to use it. So now for my spices, I'm using parsley, I'm using spicy pepper, I'm using nutmeg, I'm using ginger and garlic spice, I'm using crayfish seasoning, and I'm using onion powder. So yeah, you're going with your seasoning. Any seasoning you have at all. It's not a must use what I use. So anything you feel brings out the taste of your food, you can go in with it. And don't forget to add your salt to it. So I didn't add my salt to that part when I was adding the seasoning, but I later added my salt after I finished mashing everything together and tasting it. So don't forget to add your salt to it to give it taste. So after mixing all the ingredients together, you're going to roll it into fine rolls. So you can roll it like this, you can decide to roll it smaller, any of the above. So I was trying to roll it back into the shape of potatoes. So yeah, this was when I added my salt. Yeah. So like I was saying, I was trying to roll it back into the shape of potatoes, but I didn't really get that shape. So I just rolled it like that. Filling, yeah, is the shape of potatoes I did. So yeah, I just added oil to my hand a little so that I'll be able to roll it. So just roll it, and then when it is ready, you set it aside, and then we move to the next phase. So now for the next part, when you're done rolling everything, you get your pan, put it on fire, and add oil to the pan. So now you're going to fry on medium heat. It shouldn't be too high and it shouldn't be too low. It shouldn't be too high because you don't want it to get burnt, or you don't want outside done and inside not even cooked at all. So it shouldn't be too high. And you don't want it too low because you don't want it to soak oil. So you should just fry on medium heat and just monitor the frying. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed before. Please kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you. We appreciate you. So please don't forget to subscribe, and also feel free to share this video so that other people too can see this great recipe and they can try it. You never can tell. This might be somebody's best food after trying this. Guys, the aroma alone is giving. I've not even started to talk about the taste. The aroma alone is giving. Like, oh my goodness, I just wanted to sleep in the kitchen because what? Yeah. Anyways, make sure to fry well. Make sure to fry every where and make sure to fry well. So I'm going to show you how it came out, the last part. So I didn't add breadcrumbs to this. I didn't add flour. I didn't add what's it called, corn flour. I didn't add any of that to this, but it came out like I added what's it called, flour or breadcrumbs to it. It came out well, like you could hear the sound when I was, you understand. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to make a request on the video you would love to see on our channel, and also make yourself known by dropping your name and the country or state you're watching from so that we can make a shout out to you on our next cooking video. So we'll be waiting for your name and the country or state you are watching from. So we love and appreciate you. Thank you for actually coming out to open our channel. We have other interesting videos. If it's just cooking videos you want, go to our playlist and check out our easy recipes. You see all our food videos there. If you want just fun, go for fun. If you want just brownie, go for brownie. You'll see everything there on the playlist. It is actually very easy, so you can just click on anyone you want and just enjoy yourself. And also don't forget to request, like I said. So for the last part I won't be saying anything because I want you to hear that sound, that giving sound. Like I want you to hear, like, come and hear it first, come and hear, like, oh my goodness. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. See you on the next video and all of our videos. Bye. I want to go and enjoy this. Bye bye.